Okay, just take it easy. This is just a life-changing interview. Oh, hello there. You must be the one that's here for the job interview, right? Yeah, exactly. Okay, well, follow me. Well, this job became available very recently, and we're very glad that you are interested. Well, sit down. So, Robert, tell me a little about yourself. Well, I'm 34 years old. I live by my own. I think I'm a very happy and well, yeah, I would like to get a job here. Okay, why are you interested in this job? You know, being a carpenter for my company. Well, I have some experience. Like, for example, I had to help my grandparents when they built their house, and I also think it's very fun. Okay, I see. Could you maybe tell me the 3 best things about you, please? Sure, I'm very exact when I work. I'm also very independent. Okay, enough. What's the matter with you? What are you doing? Okay, what are you actually doing? Stop. Can you stop? Please stop doing it. You're awesome. You get the job. Oh my god. You're so good. What the hell? Congratulations, Robert. Thank you very much. Thank you so much.